Most people think AI is the problem. It's not. The problem is who gets access and who doesn't. Because depending on where you start, you're either being prepared for what's coming or you're not. Jobs change, industries shift. People get left trying to catch up to something they were never prepared for. So we built something different. AIAJ Academy. Where people don't just learn about AI, they actually use it. Real skills, real application, real confidence. This isn't experimental. Don't even know how to implement it within their organization. This is ready.
API key or
This isn't theory. It's already happening in classrooms and businesses in real time. The model works, the demand is there. What happens next is a decision. This is where I'm from. This is who I build for.
How should nonprofit
Everything needed is already in place.
I saw a meme, or not a meme.
No more waiting.
where most AI efforts struggle? Not
People who
because-
know how to use AI replace people who don't.
Mama.
You're either preparing the people or you're leaving them behind.
Prompts are your superpower. The better your prompt, the smarter AI works for you.